install the Codex app on Windows. So as you can see, I'm using Codex, and then from here I can come and then chat with it. But before I send the message over here, when you come and then click on the down arrow, you can see that we have ChatGPT 5.4 here also. So let me send the message for you to see. And as you can see, Codex has responded. Okay, so this is the actual Codex app. So as you can see, this is the installer. Let me click on it for you to see that I am installing it. So let me show you how you can do the exact same thing. All that you have to do is simply go to Google and then come and search for ChatGPT just like this, and then hit enter. Come and then select the official site of ChatGPT by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the ChatGPT platform. So at the top left hand corner, okay, come and then put the mouse on the logo just like this. It's going to change to open sidebar, and then come and click on it. Okay, over here you are going to see that you have Codex here. Come and click on it, and then it's going to open this window. Okay, so from here you have the option to come and then download the Codex app for your Windows by clicking on download for Windows. Okay, so when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here to the Microsoft Store. That is where you're going to find the download, and then come and click on the download. Okay, and that is it. So it's going to download. So as you can see, here is it. Simply come and then click on the opened, and it's going to open the actual downloading. Okay, so as you can see, it is starting to download. It's going to download the whole setup for you, and then it's going to install it. After that, come and then open with ChatGPT, sign up with ChatGPT, come and then select a place to store your project, and come and select a folder. If you don't have one already, just create it. Okay, after that, simply come and then click on select folder, and that is it. So from here, as you can see, we are now within our folder. That is the Codex project. Okay, and that is it. You can simply start working with it. So from here you can come and then select the down arrow by clicking on the down arrow, and you can come and then select either ChatGPT 5.4, or you can go with ChatGPT 5.3 Codex. Okay, so I'm simply going to go with ChatGPT 5.3 Codex, and that is it. I'm going to send message that is hi Codex, and come and then click on the send. But you have to come and then set up your agent sandbox to continue. Okay, to do that, come and then click on setup, and that is it. So from here it has set it up, and we can now come and then send our message. So to do that, come and then type in what you want to type, just like hi Codex, and then come and then click on the send. So when you click on it, it's going to send the message, and as you can see, Codex has responded. So it is how to get it for Windows. Like it, and then see you in my next video.